Most people think the AI race is about who makes the smartest chatbot. That idea is already outdated. What's happening right now is much bigger. Three companies are racing towards something that goes far beyond better answers or faster responses. They're racing toward artificial general intelligence, AI that can reason, adapt, and work across tasks the way humans do. And here's the part that should make you stop and pay attention. Elon Musk has publicly said that Grok 5, the next AI model from his company xAI, has a 10% chance of achieving AGI, and that probability is rising. Around the same time, reports revealed that OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman declared a code red inside the company, pushing teams to accelerate development. Meanwhile, Google has already deployed its most advanced Gemini models directly into Search, Docs, Android, and its entire ecosystem. This is not hype, and it's not science fiction. This is the most important technology race happening right now. In this video on App and Tech Hub, I'm going to explain what Grok 5 actually is, when it may realistically launch, how it compares to GPT and Gemini, and most importantly, what this means for your work, your skills, and your future. Let's start with the timeline, because that's where the pressure really begins. xAI has not officially published a fixed release date for Grok 5. However, Elon Musk has repeatedly hinted that early 2026 is the target window, assuming training and testing stay on track. If you followed Musk's companies before, you already know that timelines are aspirational, not guaranteed. Tesla, SpaceX, and even Grok itself have seen delays in the past. So instead of focusing on an exact month, the smarter question is why Grok 5 matters right now. The answer is compute. xAI is building a massive AI training system called Colossus, one of the largest AI compute clusters ever attempted. Publicly, xAI has confirmed hundreds of thousands of high-end GPUs, with a roadmap toward million-scale GPU equivalent compute. That level of infrastructure is not built for small improvements. It's built for major capability jumps. And while xAI is pushing forward, OpenAI and Google are not standing still. Inside OpenAI, multiple reports confirmed that Sam Altman triggered what was described internally as a code red. This wasn't because Grok 5 already exists, but because competition across the AI industry is accelerating faster than expected. OpenAI's response was GPT 5.2, a major upgrade focused on advanced reasoning, long context understanding, agent-like tool use, and multimodal vision tasks. At the same time, Google rolled out Gemini 3 and embedded it deeply into everyday products like Search, Gmail, Docs, Android, and developer tools. For the first time, AI models are no longer just standalone products. They are platforms woven directly into daily digital life. Grok 5 is entering this race with a very different philosophy. Grok is not positioned as a polished corporate assistant. xAI openly describes it as truth-seeking, less filtered, and more focused on deep reasoning. It's important to be precise here. Grok does not continuously learn in real time like a human. What it does have is real-time retrieval. Grok can pull live information from X, current news sources, and the web. Most AI models rely on a knowledge cutoff. Grok's retrieval system allows it to respond using what's happening right now, which is a major advantage for research, analysis, and time-sensitive decisions. Grok 4 already supports a massive 256,000 token context window, enough to analyze entire books, large codebases, or long legal and technical documents in a single session. Grok 5 is expected to push reasoning depth, multimodal abilities like voice and possibly video, and more agent-like behavior across tools. This is where Elon Musk's AGI comments come into play. When Musk says Grok 5 has a 10% chance of AGI, he is not claiming consciousness or sentience. In technical terms, AGI means general problem-solving across domains, the ability to transfer knowledge between tasks, and reasoning that goes beyond narrow instruction following. Many researchers disagree with Musk's optimism, and some argue that scaling alone will not reach AGI. Others believe we are closer than most people realize. The key point is that no serious AI leader talks like this unless they believe something meaningful is happening. Even if Grok 5 does not reach AGI, it may still push reasoning, autonomy, and tool use to levels that feel fundamentally different to users. To understand what that means, we need to compare it honestly with GPT and Gemini. OpenAI's GPT models are extremely polished, highly reliable, and deeply integrated into Microsoft products. They excel at structured workflows, enterprise tasks, coding, and long-form reasoning, with some of the largest context windows currently available. Gemini, on the other hand, shines through deep integration with Google's ecosystem. It offers strong multimodal understanding and real-time grounding through search, making it ideal for everyday users already living inside Google apps. Grok takes a different path. It emphasizes live data access, deep reasoning, and tight integration with platforms like X and Tesla. It is designed to be exploratory, analytical, and less constrained, with an explicit ambition to push toward AGI. Each model reflects the ecosystem behind it. GPT lives in Microsoft's world. Gemini lives in Google's world. Grok lives in Elon Musk's world, spanning social platforms, vehicles, and potentially robotics. So what does all of this actually mean for you? This is not about picking a single AI winner. It's about learning how to use these systems intelligently. If you work with code, writing, research, design, data, or strategy, AI is becoming a force multiplier, not a replacement. The people who benefit most are not waiting for AGI to arrive. They are learning how to ask better questions, combine AI tools, and move faster than everyone else. Grok 5 may launch in early 2026, or it may take longer. It may reach near AGI, or it may simply raise the bar again. But one thing is certain. The AI race has entered a new phase, and understanding it now puts you ahead of most people. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to subscribe to App and Tech Hub, and let me know in the comments. Are you Team Grok, Team GPT, or Team Gemini? I'll see you in the next one.